Hi guys, welcome to Mandarin Performing Arts Group Dance Lessons. My name is Bobby. Today I'll be doing a tutorial of a Zulu dance called Nyatela. I'm so excited to teach you this dance. I hope you're ready. Let's get started.
Ready?
So firstly, we're going to stand in a parallel position. Step 1, put your legs together. Step 2, make a V shape. Step 3, then slightly bend. Again, put your legs together. Step 2, V shape. And step 3, and slightly bend. 5, 6, 7, and bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Step 2, 1, 2, 3, falling forward, da, da, keep the tempo. And clap, 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 clap. Got it? So we're gonna do it 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's move on to the second movement.
5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, 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 and step, 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 step. Keep the tempo. Step, bounce, step, then 1, 1, 1. 1 forward, da, 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 da. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, and bounce, 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 bounce. Step 2, da, 2, 3, 4. Again, bounce. Da. Keep the tempo. Da, da, and da, da, da. Then lean forward, ha, then, and stop. So we're gonna do it 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Third movement.
5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 step. Keep the tempo. Da, 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 and da, 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 da. Got it? So now we're gonna do it 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fourth movement.
5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's combine the first movement till the 4th movement with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done. Fifth movement.
Twist your right leg in, up, and down, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, and in, up, and down, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Sixth movement. Step 1 and 2 and jump. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, jump. and jump. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, 2, 3, 4, and jump.
Last movement.
1, 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's combine the fifth movement to the last movement. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, jump and move forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Let's combine from the top till the end with music.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, jump, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.